Hey folks, I'm so grateful that you clicked for today's video. So, how do you actually think and grow rich? In today's video, we are going to visit this book called Think and Grow Rich by Napoleon Hill. This book is one of the most influential and all-time best book when it comes to financial independence and self-development realm. But what I feel is that most of the people don't really understand the book, or they don't really get what Napoleon Hill wants to convey. By Think and Grow Rich, it doesn't mean you just sit there and do nothing, meditate and expect money. That's not Think and Grow Rich. That's Meditate and Grow Poor. The entire book is galvanized by the principles of manifestation, and the hidden principle of this book, from my perspective, which nobody would even talk about, is accurate thinking. Now, what does that mean? Accurate thinking means asking yourself deep and profound questions. Deep and profound questions. Asking questions that take some time, not very surface level questions. Napoleon Hill talks about having a definite purpose and a burning desire for its achievement. Your burning desire should be what carbon is to steel. The principles taught in this book are not confined to riches in particular, but if properly used, this book can help you in achieving success in all possible walks of life. And in our upcoming videos, gentlemen, we are going to cover each and every chapter of this book in such a way that you don't even have to read this book. So, the first chapter of this book, which is Desire, and according to Napoleon Hill, desire is the first step to riches, and he proves it well with the story of Edwin Barnes. Barnes had a consuming obsession to become the business associate of Thomas Alva Edison. Barnes' desire was not a hope, it was not a simple wish. It may have been a wish at starting, but that wish became so pulsating in him that he stakes his entire future on the ability to achieve what he wanted. At the start, when he entered Edison's business field, he used to see himself as the business partner of Edison. He did not become the partner of Edison the day he arrived. It was not just in one day that he achieved what he desired. It took him 5 years before the chance he had been seeking made its appearance. So, what I want you to take out from this story is choose a definite goal, place all your energy, efforts to achieve this goal, and leave no possible way of retreat for yourself. No plan B, only plan A. If you have a backup plan, it means you don't trust at your first plan, and if by anyhow something wrong happens with your first plan, you will flee to your backup plan. So from where the heck you will put all your energy at one place and succeed? You have to either win or die trying. Remember, wishing will not bring any riches, but desiring riches with a state of mind that becomes an obsession, planning definite ways and backing those plans with persistence will bring riches. So, 6 practical steps by which desire for riches can be achieved are: first, fix in your mind the exact amount of money you desire. It is not sufficient merely to say, I want plenty of money. Be definite as to the amount. Second, determine exactly what you intend to give in return for the money you desire. It could be anything like the value which you want to add in other person's life for which you are charging him or her money. Third, establish a definite date when you intend to possess the money you desire. Fourth, create a definite plan for carrying out your desire and begin at once, whether you are ready or not, to put this plan into action. Fifth, write out a clear, concise statement of the amount of money you intend to acquire. Name the time limit for its acquisition. State what you intend to give in return for the money, and describe clearly the plan through which you intend to accumulate it. Sixth, read your statement aloud twice daily, once just before retiring at night and once after arising in the morning. As you read, see and feel and believe yourself already in possession of the money. Become money conscious and be a practical dreamer. Put your plans into actions and never ever be afraid of the fact that people are going to laugh at you, at your failures, because these stupid people don't know that every failure with itself brings a seed of an equivalent success. Burning desire to be and to do is the starting point from which dreamers must take off. A person who has a strong desire recognizes no such word as impossible and accepts no such reality as failure.